DIN KYC filing. Stay compliant with Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. If you're a director of an Indian company, keeping your director identification number, DIN, active is not optional. It's mandatory. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, requires every director to file their DIN KYC annually or risk DIN deactivation, penalties, and disqualification. At Filings Corner, we make your DIN KYC process quick, accurate, and penalty-free. What is DIN KYC? DIN KYC is an annual compliance requirement under the Companies Act 2013. It helps the MCA verify a director's identity and contact information to prevent fraudulent directorships, maintain corporate transparency, ensure only verified individuals act as directors who needs to file DIN KYC. DIN KYC must be filed by all individuals holding a valid DIN as of March 31st, directors of private limited, public limited, LLPs and OPCs, foreign nationals with DIN linked to Indian companies, directors whose DIN was previously deactivated due to KYC non-filing, types of DIN KYC filings. Depending on your filing status, different forms apply. DIR-3 KYC, form-based. 4. First-time KYC filers, directors who want to update their mobile number or email ID. DIR-3 KYC, web-based. 4. Directors who previously filed KYC and have no changes in their contact details. DIR-6, 4. Updating name, address, mobile number, or email linked to DIN documents required for DIN KYC filing. To complete the KYC, you'll need ID, identity proof, Aadhaar card, Indian nationals, passport, foreign directors, address proof, bank statement, utility bill, not older than 2 months, recent passport photo, mobile number, and email ID. For OTP-based verification, digital signature certificate, DSC. Required for form-based KYC filings, DIN KYC filing. Step-by-step process. 1. Log in to the MCA portal. 2. Choose the correct form, DIR-3 KYC or web-based KYC. 3. Upload your documents and photo. 4. Verify your email and mobile number via OTP. 5. Digitally sign and submit. 6. Get an MCA acknowledgement on successful filing deadline and consequences of non-filing DIN KYC. Due date, 30th September of every financial year. Missed the deadline? Here's what happens. DIN is deactivated. You cannot act as a company director. Late fee of Rs $5,000 to reactivate repeated non-compliance may lead to director disqualification. How Filings Corner helps you. We provide end-to-end DIN KYC support so you stay compliant and stress-free. Accurate form filing. Avoid rejections and errors. Timely filing alerts so you never miss a deadline. Reactivation assistance. Help with DIN reactivation and penalty handling. Expert support. Consult with our CAs, CSs, and legal advisors. Digital signature assistance for first-time or expired DSCs. File your DIN KYC with Filings Corner today. Whether you're filing for the first time or just need a quick update, we'll ensure your DIN stays active and compliant. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com. Let Filings Corner take care of your director compliance the right way, on time. Filings Corner, because compliance should never be complicated.